Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I mean, overall, I'm definitely still very bullish on these higher time frames, even though the Aussie's been very, very weak. I still think this is three ways up for W, three ways down for X, and I still think this is an A, B, C of wave Y, which I think is likely to go up to about the 78% Fibonacci extension, most likely taking out these two previous highs. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I do believe that this five waves up over here is the wave A. I think this is a WXY of B, and then that would make this right here a wave 1. This would be a big ABC of wave 2, and then I still think this is going to go up and make a 3, a 4, and a wave 5, which is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, because a wave Y needs to have an ABC within it. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, ever since this thing broke structure to the downside several weeks ago, I've been doing nothing but looking for shorts. And since we have not broken structure to the upside yet, I'm actually still looking for shorts on shorter time frames. I actually do think this is likely an A, I do think this is likely a B, and I still think it's likely a wave C. Until it actually confirms the wave C is over with a break of structure, though, I am definitely still on the short side on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. This thing has really but not been able to break structure. I mean, it keeps on going up and trying to break structure, but so far no break of structure. I'm definitely still looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Logically, because of the big spike in the 78% Fibonacci bounce and the fact that it definitely looks like a complete five waves down, I honestly do think that it probably is going to go up and break structure this week. And once it does do that, I will definitely go back to looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I'm still primarily looking for shorts. You know, I'm looking to go short here, looking to go short there, and possibly even right here today. But I still think there's a very good chance this move down is probably a correction, and I still think there's a pretty good chance that it is going to break up. For me personally, I would much prefer to just wait for the break of structure before I try to go long. Then I can go long on the pullbacks that happen after the break of structure. Until then, I'm actually still going to continue to look for shorts on these shorter time frames until the higher time frames tell me otherwise with a break of structure. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.